Claiming your commencement tickets is easy. Tickets are claimed online, so there's no need to come to campus. Tickets can be claimed anytime during open ticket claims. First, visit Graduation Central at services.bridgew.edu/graduationcentral. Next, click on the appropriate degree type. Undergraduate students should click on Bachelor's Degree, then Getting Ready for Commencement on the left-hand side, then click Claim Tickets, then Claim Tickets again. Graduate students should click on Master's Degree, then Claim Tickets, then Claim Tickets again. Once you click on Claim Tickets, you will be brought to the University Tickets website. On this page, you will find the ticket release times for each ceremony. You will not be able to claim tickets until ticket claims have opened for your assigned ceremony. Ceremony is determined by your primary major. To log in, click Graduate Login at the top of the page and log in with your BSU credentials. If you receive an error message stating that the credentials you provided are invalid, please be sure you are only entering your username, not email address, and that you are not entering the wrong password. If you don't know your password or need to reset it, use the password reset self-service link at the bottom of the page, or contact the help desk at 508-531-2555 or itsupport@bridgew.edu for assistance. BSU credentials are required to claim tickets. If you get a message that you're ineligible to claim tickets at this time, one of the following is likely the cause. 1. You have not applied to graduate. This is the first step in graduation and being eligible to claim tickets and participate in commencement. If you are an undergraduate student, please visit the Registrar's Office intranet page and find the degree application under Printable Forms. Download the form, fill it out, save it, and email it from your BSU email account to degree_audit@bridgew.edu as soon as possible to apply. If you are a graduate student and have not applied to graduate, you must submit a graduation application to the College of Graduate Studies. 2. You've applied to graduate recently. It takes approximately 7 business days for your application to be processed once submitted. Please try back after 7 business days. 3. You have a hold on your account. Please check InfoBear for holds. Holds with student accounts means you have a balance on your account. All accounts must be paid in full in order to claim tickets and participate in commencement. Specific questions should be directed to student accounts. Holds with financial aid mean you have not yet completed the necessary financial aid exit interview. Please visit the financial aid exit interviews link on Graduation Central for more information. Specific questions should be directed to financial aid. 4. You had a hold removed recently. Holds in InfoBear are cleared immediately. However, that information only feeds into the ticket system 4 times per day, at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. You will need to wait until the next feed time after your hold is cleared. Once you've logged on, you'll see your ceremony information in the middle of the page. Click on the name of your ceremony to be brought to the event information page. This page contains important information such as parking and when guests should arrive. Please read this page in full before continuing. After reading this page, scroll to the bottom to claim your tickets. Each graduate is guaranteed the allotted number of tickets as long as they meet all requirements and claim them by the deadline. Please note that you do not need to claim tickets all at once. If you are not sure if guests will be attending, claim what you need now and you can come back to claim more up to the allocated limit before the deadline. Select the number of tickets you need from the drop-down menu and click Add to Order. You will be brought to a ticket reservation page. Please note that your order is not yet complete. Click Checkout. You will be brought to the reservation summary page. At the top will be your student information, including your BSU email address and your name as it will appear on your diploma and be read as you cross the stage. This information was provided on the application for graduation. If any of this information is incorrect, please contact the Office of the Registrar. Please scroll down to provide the additional information requested. First, you'll need to enter the phonetic pronunciation of your name. This will help us ensure that your name is pronounced properly as you cross the stage. Please break down your name into syllables separated by dashes. For example, Samantha Conkey would be broken down Sa-man-tha Con-key. Next, please let us know if you will require accessibility accommodations to participate in the ceremony. If so, please click on the Accessibility Request Form link and submit this form. Please answer the questions at the bottom regarding the Alumni Association and click Checkout. Your reservation is now complete. You will receive an email confirmation with your tickets attached as PDFs. You can download your tickets by clicking on the PDF or by clicking Print/Save All Tickets. You can also email your tickets to a friend or family member by clicking on the arrow below Send to a Friend. Enter your friend or family member's name, email address, and a brief message. Then click Send e-ticket. An electronic ticket will be sent via email to the person indicated. This email will include a PDF of the ticket. Tickets may be presented electronically on a mobile device or printed for admission to commencement ceremony. Mobile tickets are preferred. If you have any questions, please contact the appropriate department. Undergraduate students should contact University Events at undergradcommemcement@bridgew.edu, and graduate students should contact the College of Graduate Studies at gradcommemcement@bridgew.edu.